Now I am going to deliver a video lecture on azeotrope refrigerant. Azeotrope refrigerant means it is referred to as stable mixture of refrigerant whose vapor and liquid phases retains identical composition over a wide range of temperature. However, these mixtures usually have properties that differ from either of their components. So, isotrope, that is the mixture of different refrigerant, and they have got different property from their mother refrigerants, but they are very useful. They are very useful in using as a refrigerant in place of single refrigerant. So, example for azeotrope refrigerant R500, R502, R503 and R504. Besides that, there are so many other examples also. Right now, R500, it is an isotrope mixture of 73.8% R12 CCl2F2 and 26.2% of R152 CS3CHF2. It is non-flammable, non-toxic and non-corrosive. It is, it is both used in industrial and commercial application, but only in a system with reciprocating compressor. Means it is used in industrial and commercial everywhere, but compressor which is used, that it should be reciprocating. The refrigerant offer about 20% greater refrigerating capacity than R12. The evaporator pressure of this refrigerant is 1.37 bar at minus 15 degree centigrade. Refrigerating pressure, that is 1.37 bar at minus 15 degree centigrade, and its condensing pressure is 7.78 bar at 30 degree centigrade. Its boiling point at atmospheric pressure minus 33 degree centigrade. It has fairly high solubility in oil. Water is water is quite soluble in this refrigerant, but it is soluble in oil also and in water also. Next comes R502. R502, it is a mixture of 48% R22 CSClF2 and 51.2% of R115 CClF2 CF3. It is non-flammable, non-corrosive, non-toxic liquid refrigerant. It is suitable between temperature minus 18 डिग्री टू माइनस 51 डिग्री. इसके बीच के टेम्परेचर में ये इसकी कूलिंग इफेक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, एफिशिएंसी ज़्यादा होती है. इट इज़ ऑफन यूज्ड फॉर फ्रोजन फीड फूड इंडस्ट्री. फ्रोजन फूड इंडस्ट्री में ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ती है, जैसे आइसक्रीम जमाना या खाना रखना, फ्रीजिंग जहाँ पे बहुत लो टेम्परेचर ज़रूरत होता है, वहाँ पर मीट को स्टोर करना, फिश को स्टोर करना. देयर वी यूज दिस आइसोट्रोप मिक्सचर. It only used with reciprocating compressor. It is also the same as that of R500, used with reciprocating compressor. The boiling point at atmospheric pressure minus 46 degrees centigrade. This refrigerant has all the qualities found in other हेलोजन से रिलेटेड हेलोजनेटेड रेफ्रिजरेंट. मतलब जितने भी हेलोजन से रिलेटेड रेफ्रिजरेंट है, जिसमें क्लोरीन होता है, ब्रोमीन हो सकता है, हेलोजन, तो उस रेफ्रिजरेंट की प्रॉपर्टी इसके अंदर भी होती है. आइसोट्रोप, दिस इज आइसोट्रोप R502. देन कम्स R503. It is mixture of 40% of R23 CHF3 and 59.9% of R13 CClF3. It is also non-flammable, non-corrosive, practically non-toxic लिक्विड. मतलब ये प्रॉपर्टी हर ही रेफ्रिजरेंट में होनी चाहिए. फ्लेमेबल नहीं होता है, करोसिव नहीं होता है और टॉक्सिक नहीं होता है. Its boiling point at atmospheric pressure -88 degree centigrade, which is lower than R22 or R13. It it evaporates at -15 degree at 17.15 bar pressure. This is a low temperature and it is low temperature and good for large it is low temperature and good for low state of it is low temperature and good for low टेम्परेचर रेंज ऑफ कैस्केड कूलिंग. कैस्केड कूलिंग सिस्टम में होता है ना, दो पार्ट होते हैं, एक हायर टेम्परेचर होता है, एक लो टेम्परेचर होता है. तो लो टेम्परेचर वाले में इसको हम R503 को आराम से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दिस व्हाट इज टेलिंग. नेक्स्ट वन कम्स R504. It is an isotrope mixture of 48.2% R32, 48.2% of R32 CH2F2 and 51.8% of R115 CClF2CF3. It is also non-flammable, non-corrosive and non-toxic. The boiling point at atmospheric pressure -55 degrees centigrade, -57 degrees centigrade. The refrigerant is used in industrial processes. When a low temperature range of -40 to -60 degree centigrade is desired. मतलब बहुत लो टेम्परेचर जब रिक्वायर्ड होता है, -40 degree centigrade to -62 degree centigrade, then we go for this refrigerant isotrope. So I mentioned about the isotrope mixture, that I should say it is a mixture of different kind of refrigerant which gives different property than its mother refrigerant, and they have got better property than their mother refrigerant. In that I have used the examples R500, R502, R503 and R504. Besides that, there are also so many refrigerant in azeotrope. So R500, I have mentioned the property of R500. So many positive properties it is having. Then I have mentioned about the property of R502, and then I have mentioned about the property of 503, and then I have mentioned about the property of 504. In all these azeotropes, one thing is very common, that it is non-toxic, non-inflammable and non-corrosive. That is very important. If the refrigerant is inflammable, then immediately it will catch the fire. If a refrigerant is corrosive, then it will damage the line or pipe, or it will damage the whole system. It may damage the whole system. And non-toxic means it has got no bad effect. Like ammonia, it is very highly toxic. Toxic means it gives the smell which you cannot stand. One cannot stay over there. So this refrigerant, it is non-toxic. These all refrigerant are non-toxic, non-inflammable and non-corrosive. These three fundamental properties are there. And the leakage of refrigerant of all these three, all the four, can be detected with the help of soap solution. If we put the soap solution at the point where leakage is taking place, then it can be detected. And another process to detect the refrigerant is halide torch. If we use the halide torch, then color of flame will be immediately changing, so we can just detect the leakage. So in that way, the use of isotrope refrigerant is mentioned to you. Thank you.